Hi everybody, welcome to our class grade 3 max class chapter 1 large numbers. First recall the previous class topics. At first which one is you learn about value, place value and face value. Next explain about the place value and face value with their example sums also, and then expanded form, standard form also you learn. At last I gave one worksheet also. Have you completed the worksheet? Okay, very good. See the answer for this worksheet. Find the place value and face value of the colored digit in the following. 6320. So place, which number is colored here? Which digit is colored? 6. So 6 places. What is the value? What is the place of 6? 6 in thousands place. So 1000. Next place value. What is the place value of 6? 6000. Face value means the number itself. So face value is 6. Then see the second sum. 4093. Which one is colored digit? 0. So what is the place of 0? 0 in hundreds place. So what is the place value of 0? 0. Place value of 0 is 0. 0 into 100. So 0 into 100 is 0. So face value also 0. Then third sum, 7908. Which one is colored digit? 8. What is the place of 8? 8 in ones place. Place value of 8 is 8 into 1. 8 ones are 8. Face value of 8 is 8. Very good. Have you complete? Have you corrected? Very nice. See the second Roman letter. Write the numbers in expanded form. Fourth sum. 5057. 5 in thousands place. So 5000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 7. Fifth sum. 7386. What is the answer? 7000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 6. Sixth sum. 2667. So what is the answer? 2000 plus 600 plus 60 plus 7. Seventh one is 2108. So 2000 plus 100 plus 0 plus 8. Eighth one 7684. So 7000 plus 600. 8 in tens place. So 80 plus 4. Ninth one 1406. So 1000 plus 400 plus 0 plus 6. Have you corrected all the sums? First Roman and second Roman letter? Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Those who are correct in all the sums means put the ice cream symbol in your notes. Very good. See, today you learn about the topic is comparing numbers. Already you know comparing numbers. So in that comparing numbers, we are using 3 symbols. The first one is called greater than. The blue color symbol have you know. So this is called greater than. Then the red color symbol have you know. This is called less than. This is called less than. Else if have you know. So this is called less than. Then already you very know about that equal to symbol. Third one is called equal to. Okay, ma? So see, using these 3 symbols, we want to compare the numbers. See the first sum. Read the sum. Read the number. Very good. 3672. Next number. Count. Read this next number. 3843. So now we want to compare these 2 numbers. What are the numbers? 3672 and 3843. Compare these 2 numbers. Note it down in your CW. In this comparing, we want to use some steps. The first step one is, first you want to count the digits. 3672. How many digits are there? 4 digits. Very good. Here, how many digits are there? Here also having 4 digits. 3843. So 1, 2 and 3. 4. So here also 4 digits, here also 4 digits. So both the numbers are having 4 digits. So this is first step. Next, see the second step. First, see the thousands place number. What is the thousands place in 3672? Thousands place having 3. Very good. Here, next number 3043. Which number is having in thousands place? 3. So first and second number, both the two numbers are having 3 in thousands place, same number. So in the second, if it has same number, means next compare to the next place. 1000 after next place is what? Hundreds place. So now we want to compare the hundreds place value, hundreds place numbers. Okay, see the hundreds place number. What is the number? First number having 6 in hundreds place, second number having 8 in hundreds place. So which is biggest number? 6 and 8. Which one is biggest? 8 is the biggest. Already you know biggest number side mouth is open. 6 and 8. So here we write the symbol. So this, see here down, 6 is greater less than 8. 6 is greater than or less than. Very nice. 6 is less than 8. So 8 is the greatest number. 8 is the greatest number. So greatest number side mouth is open. Smallest number side mouth is closed. Have you clear this one? See another one. See here. So 6 and 8. So 8 is greatest number. So which number having 8? 3843. Then another number is 3672. So which number is greater? 3843 is greater. Then 3672 is the smallest number. Have you clear this sum? Okay. Next, see the second sum. Read this number. 2318. 2318. Very good. Next, see this next number. Read this number. 2314. 2314. Now we want to compare this two number, 2318 and 2314. What is the first step? Step 1 is counting the digits. 2318, how many digits are there? 8 first digit, 1 is second digit, 3 in third digit, 2 in fourth digit. So how many digits are there? 4 digits. Here 2314, how many digits are also here? Here also 4 digits. So both are also 4 digit number. Okay, this is first step. Next step number 2 is first you want to compare the thousands place number. 2318, what is the thousands place number here? 2. Very good. Here 2314, what is the thousands place number? 2. So both the numbers are 2. So both the numbers are same. This is second step. So both the numbers are same means next you want to compare the hundreds place number. So this is third step. So check the 100 place number. The first one also 2318 hundreds place number is 3. 2314 also hundreds place number is 3. So this also same number. Okay, this is step number 3. So hundreds place also same one means next you want to move to tens place. This is step number 4. Check the first number in tens place value. 2318 tens place value is 1. 2314 tens place value is 1. So 1 1, this is equal. So you want to check that ones place value. This is step number 5. 8 and 4. So which one is greater? 8 and 4. Which one is greater? 8 is greatest number. 8 is the greatest number. So greatest number side mouth is open. So you want to write in the greater than symbol. So 8 having which number? 2318. 2314. So this 2318 is the greatest number. So greatest number side mouth is open. So that we want to write in greater than symbol. Have you clear this one? See this next one. Read the first balloon. First this 4 digit number first you read. 4321. So here how many digits are there? 4 digits. This is step number 1. Next read this number. 956. There is no hundreds place. There it has 3 numbers. So 1 tens 100 alone. So 9,956. 956. 956. So that compare this two number, the 4321 having 4 digits, 956 having 3 digits. So which one is smallest, 4 or 3? Which one is smallest? 3 is the smallest and 4 is the greatest. So 4321 is the greatest number, greater. So we want to write in the greater than symbol. Have you clear this one? See this next one. So that 4321 is greater than 956. Next, compare that another one example. What is the number? Read this one. 9746. Very good. Next number is 9746. So compare this two number, 9746, 9746. Compare these two numbers. These two numbers also 4 digit numbers. Thousands place having 9. Here also thousands place having 9. Here also thousands place having 7. Here also 7. Here also 4. Here also 4. Here also 6. Here also 6. So both the numbers are having same numbers. Here also 4 digit numbers. Here also 4 digit numbers. So both the numbers are same one. So same one means which symbol we want to write? Here we want to write in the equal to symbol. Both the digits are same. So we want to write in the equal symbol. Have you clear this one? Next topic is ascending and descending order. Have you clear the comparing of numbers? Okay, next you learn about the topic is ascending order and descending order. This is called ordering numbers. Okay, what is under ascending order? Very good. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Very good. Descending order means greatest to smallest. This is biggest to smallest. See here, ascending order. Now I give some numbers here. So read the first number. What is the first number here? The first number is here. The first number is, what is the first number? Wait. See this first number. $3,280. See the second number 2047. Third one is 2076. 796. The third one is 3206. 3206. So first you want to check the digits. Very good. Count all the digits. 3280 having 4 digits. 2047 also having 4 digits. 2796 also having 4 digits. 3206 also having 4 digits. So all the numbers are having 4 digits. So next you want to, what is the second step? Check the thousands place value. First one is 3. 3280 having thousands place value is 3. Then second 2047. What is the thousands place value? 2. 2796 thousands place value is 2. 3206 thousands places 3. So that next we want to compare that ascending order. What is meant by ascending order? Ascending order means smallest to biggest. So in this all the numbers, which is smallest number? 2047 is the smallest number. Then greatest one is 3280. Then ascending order means smallest to biggest. So write the smallest one, 2047 in first place. Next to 2796, 3206, then 3280. This is smallest to biggest number. So that this is called ascending order. Have you clear this ascending order? See this descending. Next one is descending order. What is my descending order? Biggest to smallest. In reverse order, like we want to write 3280 is the biggest number. Here 3206, 2796, 2047 is the smallest number. Then another one example of ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So see this number. Read the number 1683, 8956, 5832, 4861. So compare this numbers. All the digits, all the numbers are having 4 digit numbers. So first you want to check the thousands place value. In this first one 1. Second number thousands place is 8. Third number second thousands place is 5. Then here fourth number thousands place is 4. Okay. So compare this numbers. First, which one is smallest? Ascending order means small to big. So which number is smallest? 1854. Which number is smallest? 1. So 1 is smallest number. So first you write this number 1683. Next, compare these three numbers, remaining numbers. 854, which is smallest? 4 is smallest. So 4, how we want to write, and write the cross out symbol on the number. Okay, ma? So 4861. Next, compare this two number 8 and 5. Which is smallest? 5 is smallest. Write 5832 in here. Then cross out the symbol on the number. Okay, ma? Then at last number is 8956. That one also we want to write. See that another one example for descending order. What is by descending order? Descending order means big to small. I take the same number 1683, 8956, 5832, 4861. So descending order means big to small. So biggest one. Check the thousands place value. So 1854. Which one is biggest? 8 is the biggest one. So first we want to write 8956. Cross out that number. Then which is biggest? 541. 5 is biggest. So 5832. Cross out the number on number. Next, 4 and 1. Which is greatest? 4. Next, write 4861. Cross out the symbol on the number. Next, last number is 1683. Have you cleared this descending order? Ascending order, descending also already clear. Next, today I give one worksheet. Worksheet number 3. First round, let us compare each pair of numbers using less than, greater than and equal symbols. Okay, see the first number 133. First, compare the number, means first you want to follow the steps. First step, what is the first step? Step number 1 is comparing the digits. Count the digits for both the numbers. It has same number of digits, means next you want to move to check the thousands place value. Thousands place value also same, means next compare the hundreds place. Hundreds place also same, means tens place. Tens place also same, means at last you want to check the ones place value. Okay, which is biggest one is biggest number side mouth is open, smallest number side mouth is closed. Have you clear? Using this one and complete the first row matter fully. Then second row matter. Rewrite the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Next one also ascending order. Second sum. And then as ascending order, I give 2 sums for you. Then third one, rewrite the numbers in descending order. What is in my descending order? Biggest to smallest. Biggest number to smallest. Arrange the numbers in this order wise. Bigger, first you want to write the biggest number, next number, at last write the smallest number. Have you cleared this one? Okay. You want to complete the worksheet. Must you want to complete that worksheet in your max note and then solve all the sums in the max note also. Okay, thank you, good days.